The World Rural Forum promoted in this International Year of Family Farming the creation of several IYFF national committees. These national committees are mechanisms where civil society, farmers' organizations, rural NGOs, governments, international organizations can gather and dialogue and negotiate in favor of family farming and in favor of better public policies in each one of the countries. Nowadays, there are in the world 50 national committees of the International Year of Family Farming. These national committees, they have been key for the International Year of Family Farming, and they could take the International Year all over the world, to all the continents and to many countries in this International Year of Family Farming.
Incidencia política a través de la visibilización del trabajo de los agricultores familiares y también el rol de la mujer en la transformación de los alimentos y el aporte en la agricultura familiar.
Donc la création du comité national en Burundi, pour moi, a constitué un cadre d'échange entre les intervenants en matière de développement rural, et entendez par là les organisations de la société civile et les organisations paysannes sur les enjeux de l'agriculture familiale et les défis et les solutions possibles pour promouvoir l'agriculture familiale au Burundi.
Family farmers, their performance has been well recognized. They have been told that they are very much effective in conserving biodiversity, as well as they are creating employment for themselves, and they are contributing to the food security throughout the world.
In these national committees, family farmers organizations and civil society can express their needs, can express their demands, and can dialogue and negotiate in favor of better public policies for family farming. So somehow these national committees are recognizing the key voice of family farmers when building public policy in each one of the countries. These national committees all around the world, they achieve several very meaningful results. For example, they could increase in some countries public budgets in favor of family farming. They could get better public structures in favor of family farming. And they achieved, even in some countries, the National Congress to pass several laws, programs or regulations in favor of family farming.
Civil society organizations in the Philippines, including farmers organization, fishers organization, and rural development NGOs, agreed to work on 5 priority issues. And these 5 priority issues were put forward before our counterparts in government under the technical working group that was created for the IYFF.
El mayor logro ha sido haber trabajado durante un tiempo y que el Poder Ejecutivo haya enviado un proyecto de ley de compras públicas al Parlamento que ya tiene media aprobación.
La réalisation du sommet international le 4 septembre à Bordeaux qui a permis de mettre autour de la table des jeunes du monde entier et donc qui a permis l'écriture d'un manifeste avec notamment une demande forte pour la reconnaissance économique, sociale et juridique de notre métier.
Ministry of Agriculture accepted our comments and increased support for young and small farmers from 2 to 30 million euros.
Con los insumos obtenidos a través de talleres regionales por todas las demandas que han planteado los productores familiares, construir un plan país que será presentado a las nuevas autoridades para que le den seguimiento y solución a todas sus demandas.
The IYFF national committees have been a very key tool in this International Year of Family Farming. They achieved so many results, and therefore we are absolutely committed to continue working with them, to continue promoting them in 2015 and the next years.
Increase number of farms, decrease unemployment, quality food, rural development, food sustainability.
So beyond 2014, the civil society organizations, together with the technical working group for IYFF, will push for the 5 priority demands that we will put forward before policymakers this November during the culminating event. And these priority demands include asset reform, economic development, agricultural governance, climate resilience, and rural youth.
C'est que le ministère de l'Agriculture de l'État du Burundi puisse vraiment mettre en place et revoir les politiques agricoles et les lois agricoles pour les mettre en cohérence avec la promotion de l'agriculture familiale.
Pour l'avenir, nous souhaitons faire en sorte que le dialogue initié lors du sommet du 4 septembre à Bordeaux perdure et qu'il s'élargisse.
Esperamos poder tener políticas diferenciadas para la agricultura familiar, que estas políticas se transformen en políticas de Estado para que los agricultores podamos vivir mejor generando alimentos.
Estamos consensuando y conformando y discutiendo y dialogando una nueva figura que vamos a darle al Comité del Año Internacional después del 2014.
Further promote family farming in the country, the government is thinking to upscale the amount of the budget in next year's program. धन्यवाद.